Okay, so let's come back to the DSE multiple choice questions. Okay, so please log in your Math app with this link with your username being student number and password being LKL plus student number. Okay. And then go to the HKDSE MC section. And we're going to do by topic, the last topic, topic 17, which is about statistics. And yesterday we have talked about the 4 questions in the year 2019, okay? And then today we will start with 2018, question number 29. Okay, so please select this, 2018, question number 29. Is that okay? So 記住啦，嗱呢一個咧 statistics 呢一課咧，咁就喺 section A， 即係嗱頭30題係屬於 section A 嘅，跟住最尾嗰15題，即係31至到45題咧就係 section B 嘅。section A 同埋 section B 都會有 statistics 嘅題目 ，OK？ section 反而咧，我覺得咧 section A 咧有陣時啲題目咧會有少少撩楞嘅，佢問嘅嘢係會簡單啲。但係佢可能問，即係可能你要計嘅時候咧，可能會有少少撩楞都唔定。反而 section B 咧係即係你用個框架，用啲公式，用啲 theorem 嚟到跟嘅話咧，係變化冇咁大嘅，即係問嚟問去都係嗰啲嘅 section B 嘅題目。OK， 咁但係無論點都好咧，我都覺得咧呢一個課題嘅題目咧係值得即係花時間落去到做嘅。因為你見到咧，其實近呢幾年咧，2019年出咗4題，18年出咗4題，17年出咗4題，係嘛？16年3題，15年3題，係起碼都有3至4題嘅。14年出咗5題添嘅 ，OK？ 咁所以咧係即係出得多嘅，算係得唔得 ？Statistics 呢一個 topic， 咁同埋個計算唔係太複雜嘅 ，OK？ 你只要記得少少嘢咁就得㗎啦 ，OK？ 咁琴日都講過啦，咁我仲有擺多咗一個即係嗰啲嘅 revision notes 俾大家嘅，咁就如果你需要望住嗰啲嘅 notes 啊 formula 你要做嘅話咧，咁你就記得去翻嗰個 homework platform 嗰度，咁你就撳翻聽日嘅 form 6嘅 mathematics， 咁嘅時候咧你就見到我擺落去嗰個嘅 item 咧有一個 link 係 link 去 revision notes 嗰度嘅，咁就係呢一個成個statistics， 其實由中1至到中6咧，咁都有學過 statistics 嘅 topic 嘅，咁樣，咁所有嘅嘢都喺晒裏邊㗎啦，咁樣 ，OK？ 好啦，咁我嚟咯喎，question number 29。This is about the mean. Okay, the mean of the number of pages of 10 magazines is 132. Okay, 10本刊物嘅平均頁數 ，OK 就係132頁，得唔得？咁即係10本，每一本嘅頁數咧，可能都唔係132喎，可能有啲係多啲，有啲係少啲，但係個平均 mean 即係平均數啊，平均頁數咧就係132頁啦。If the mean of the numbers of pages of 6 of these 10 magazines is 108， 10本裏邊其中6本嘅平均係108。Then the mean of the numbers of pages of the remaining 4 magazines 係幾多？剩翻嗰4本嘅平均頁數係幾多咧？咁樣樣 ，OK 嗱呢啲咧你睇落好複雜嘅，但係一定要識計嘅，因為問咗好多次㗎啦，喺 long quiz 裏邊都有問嘅 ，OK？long quiz 裏邊都有問嘅，即係咧佢俾咗你可以分開咧，即係全部嘅平均，同埋淨係攞某一部分嘅平均。然之後計翻另外嗰部分嘅平均咁樣樣 ，OK， 好啦，但係你只要記住一樣嘢，就係個 mean 係咩嚟嘅咧？即係條公式 mean is equal to the sum of data divided by number of data。OK， 即係將啲 data 加晒佢，然之後除翻有幾多個 data 咁樣樣。好啦，我哋而家啲 data 係啲咩咧？就係嗰10本刊物嘅頁數，每一個都唔知嘅，係咪 ？OK， 我哋當佢係 X1、X2、X3 until X10。OK，X1 is the first data。X2 is the second data. X10 is the 10th data. It's okay. Then for the first line, the mean of the numbers of pages of 10 magazines is 132. The mean is equal to 132, which means that 132, the mean, is equal to the sum of data. That is X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus until X10, and then divided by number of data is 10. Is that okay? And then we just multiply the 10 to the left-hand side. So 1320 is equal to X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X10. And then we can do nothing more. We just save this to be equation 1. Okay? Get 到我呢度。好啦，跟住我哋有第二句喎。If the mean of the numbers of pages of 6 of these 10 magazines is 108，其中6本嘅 mean 係108，即係平均係108。其中6本即係邊6本啊 ？OK， 我哋冇指定 X1 係邊本噶嘛，我哋當係 X1 至到 X6 得唔得？咁即係話咧個 mean 嗱，我哋淨係攞頭6本啊，即係 X1 至到 X6 啦，係嘛？嘅 mean is 108， so 108 will be equal to X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus until X6, and then divided by 6 number of data。我哋計呢個108嘅時候咧，只係攞咗頭6本週刊嘅啫。OK， 所以就除翻6啦，係嘛？ And then you multiply the 6 to the left-hand side. It becomes 648 is equal to X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X6. Okay? And then we can do nothing more. Then we save this to equation 2. Is that okay? 好啦，嗱，跟住呢度咧，我哋就可以計到一啲嘢噶啦噃。我哋一式嗰度咧，係咪由 X1 加到 X10嘅10粒 data 喺晒度嘅 equation 2咧，即係二式嘅時候咧，我哋只係得 X1 至到 X6 嘅啫，係嘛？得6粒 data 啫。如果我哋將呢6粒 data 塞翻入去嘅話咧，即係咁樣啦，係嘛 ？We substitute 2 into 1，OK？ 一式就係1320等於 X1 加到 X10，係咪即係 X1 加到 X6 再加790？咁但係咧 X1 加到 X6 咧就係648，and then plus X7 plus X8 plus X9 plus X10， 第7粒 data、第8粒 data、第9粒 data、第10粒 data。Okay? So we can actually calculate the sum of X7 plus X8 plus X9 plus X10 is actually equal to 1,320 minus 648. And that should be equal to 死啦，冇計數機添，睇先。你幫我 check 下672係嘛 ？OK， 672。I think it is correct. Yes. OK， 好啦，而家要求嘅係咩咧 ？Then the mean of the numbers of pages of the remaining 4 magazines is 剩翻嗰4本週刊嘅平均頁數係幾多？剩翻嗰4本週刊，即係邊4本啊 ？OK， 即係 X7 x8、x9 and x10。佢嘅平均係點計㗎 ？OK， 即係 the required mean 就係剩翻4本，即係 x7 plus x8 plus x9 plus x10 divided by 4. Okay, but we have already found that x7 plus x8 plus x9 plus x10 is equal to 672. So we can just use this number divided by 4. That should be equal to 168. Can you get this? So the answer is option C. Am I seeing? Yes, correct. Okay, after the substitution, you mean after the substitution of this part, equation 2 into equation 1, right? Okay, so we have got equation 1 and equation 2, but what is, so I did not explicitly write down all the terms in equation 1, but what is on the right hand side in equation 1 is x1, x2, x3, x4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? Okay, it consists of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 plus x7 plus x8 plus x9 plus x10. Okay, so normally in our calculations, okay, in our solution, we're not going to write down all the terms. Okay, just write down pattern x1, 2, 3 dot 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 until x10, right? Okay, but it actually represents x1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 data, adding all together, okay? And then we have, in equation 2, we have actually x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 until x6. We have 6 data in equation 2. When we substitute equation 2 into equation 1, which means that this part will be substituted by this number, 648. Okay, so this is my substitution. So this 648 will replace the x1 to x6. But only the x1 to x6 are replaced by 648. The remaining x7, 8, 9, and 10 are still here. Okay, because up to that moment, we do not have any information about x7, x8, x9, and x10. Okay, so we just keep these 4 data to be the unknown data. Okay, but we have got another information that x7 adding x7 to x10 will be equal to 672, which is calculated by 1,320 minus 648. Okay, so it is going to this. So this information will be used in our main calculation. Okay, our main calculation is to find the mean of the remaining 4 magazines, right? So that is x7 to x10. Okay, so we add sum of data, okay, divided by number of data. But the sum of data has been found to be 672 here. Okay, so it is just a number. It becomes a number, and we can use the calculator to find the answer, like this. Is that okay? So do you have any more problems about this? So I really want everyone can get this question. Okay? 嗱，其他同學有冇問題？仲有冇問題？唔緊要啊，慢慢嚟啊！而家我哋每攞一題，每明一題就攞1分㗎啦。OK， 唔好放棄咗呢啲咁嘅攞分嘅機會啊！ Any problems? No problems. Then I'm going to clear the board. Next question. So we go next. 好啦，嗱呢題咧，我唔係好記得添，呢題可能有少少難度嘅，即係要諗一啲嘢嘅。OK， 即係唔係話就咁好似頭先咧嗱，其實頭先咧就咁計嘅咧，用啲公式去計嘅。咁有陣時咧有啲 statistic 嘅題目咧，可能要諗一啲嘢嘅。我哋試一試睇下呢題難唔難啊 ？OK， 望落就係一個 stem and leaf diagram， 一啲都唔難嘅。如果同學唔記得咗咩叫做 stem and leaf diagram 嘅話咧，嗱其實呢個都係一個統計圖嚟嘅，都係一個咧冇分組嘅統計圖。OK， 我意思係冇用範圍嚟到分組嘅。OK， 即係我哋可以知道每一粒 data 佢嘅數值係幾多嘅。第一粒 data 係咩啊？第一粒咪21咯。OK， 21，跟住22、22、28係嘛？第一行係有4粒 data 嘅。OK， 第二行咧30A， 嗱我哋唔好寫3A 啊，係30加 A。OK，second data is 30 plus A also. It's okay. And then how about the third line? Should be 40 plus 0. That is 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 40 plus 4, 44. 40 plus 5, 45. And then 45, 47, 48. And then the fourth line will be 50 plus 3. That is 53. And then 60 plus B. So it's 60 plus B. And we have 260 plus B. And then 60 plus 9. That is 69. 60 plus 9. 69. And the last line will be 70 plus 0. That is 70. And the last datum, the largest datum, will be 70 plus 8. That is 78. OK， 咁當然你去到實際做 DSE 嘅時候，你係唔需要寫晒啲 data 出嚟嘅，但係你要知道每粒 data 喺邊一個 stem 裏邊就會攞到佢呢個 stem 嘅嗰個數值，加埋嗰個 leaf 嘅數值咁樣樣。個 stem 係代表 tens， 即係代表2就係代表20， 3就係代表30 ，OK， 7就代表70。如果佢係寫 hundreds 嘅話咧， 2就係代表200嘅咯噃，得唔得 ？OK， 仲有嗱呢度咧，呢度你要記一記啦。呢個 stem and leaf diagram 咧，永遠都係咧由左至右咧係 in ascending order 嘅。OK，from small to large, from left to right is from small to large. OK。It's always like this in a stem and leaf diagram. OK， 咁同埋咧，呢啲咧全部都係啲整數嚟嘅，整數。So all of the numbers will be integers. OK， integers. Non-negative integers, positive integers, or zero. OK， 好啦，我哋睇睇啦。The stem and leaf diagram below shows the distribution of the numbers of books read by 20 students in a year. OK， number of books， 好啦，即係一年裏邊睇幾多本書？第一個學生係睇21本書，第二個學生係睇22本書。哇，有冇咁誇張 ？OK， 得唔得？第三個學生係睇22本書，最勁嗰個學生睇幾多本書啊？睇78本書，一年啊，一年裏邊 ，OK。即係一個月咧睇6.5本書噶啦。好啦，咁跟住佢問咩咧？喂 if the interquartile range of the above distribution is at most 25, which of the following must be true? OK， which of the following must be true？ 好啦，呢度咧嗱呢題咧，我估咧有啲難度嘅。咁但係我哋試一試睇下計落去咧，睇下應該點樣計啊嚇。OK， interquartile range。It is given that interquartile range is what is meant by at most 25， 最多25，即係話佢係唔會多過25，即係少於或者等於25。但係 ，but how to get the interquartile range? What is the formula of calculating interquartile range? It should be Q3 minus Q1. So less than or equal to 25. Is that okay? But what is Q3 and what is Q1? Okay, so there are 20 data here. Okay, 20 data. So 20 data. And then if you want to find Q3 and Q1, then we need to cut in the middle position. And there will not be any data being cut, okay, at the middle position. And there will be 10 and 10. Okay, cut into 2 equal parts. Smaller part has 10 data, and then larger part also has 10 data. It's okay? This is the Q2 or the median. But this time, we are not going to find the median, so we just do not calculate the median here, okay? And then, if we want to find Q1, we need to cut in the middle position of the smaller part. That is here. This is Q1. Because there are 10 data in the smaller parts, which means that we will not cut any data at the middle position, okay? And then it is cut into 2 parts. There are 5 data and 5 data, okay? 好啦，咁如果劈唔中嘅話，呢個 Q1 係點啊？即係排第幾啊？由細至大數嘅話咧，呢個應該係排第5嗰個，呢個就係排第6嗰個啦，係嘛 ？OK， 我哋個 Q1， so Q1 will be equal to the 5th datum plus the 6th datum divided by 2。好啦，由細至大數第5同埋第6係邊兩個 data 啊？我哋咪由細至大數咯，我哋排好咗噶啦嘛已經。1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th datum is 30 plus 8. And then the 6th datum is also 30 plus 8. It's okay? So it is equal to 30 plus 8 plus 30 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay? And that should be equal to 60 plus 2a over 2, which is 30 plus 8, which means that Q1 is equal to 30 plus 8. Is that okay? 30 plus 8. And then, how about Q3? Q3. Again, we cut at the middle position from the larger part. And again, because there are 10 data in the larger part, so it is cut into 2 parts, 5 and 5. 但係今次咧，我哋就由尾開始數啦，尾5同埋尾6呢兩個 ，OK？ 尾5同尾6，咁邊個係尾5啊 ？1， sorry。1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6t plus b is the last 5th. And then 60 plus b, this 60 plus b is the last 6th. Okay? Which means that Q3 will be last 5th plus last 6th divided by 2, which is 60 plus b plus 60 plus b divided by 2. Which is 120 plus 2b divided by 2. That is 60 plus b. Okay? That is like this. And then Q3 minus Q1, going back to this main condition, will be 60 plus b minus 30 plus a is less than or equal to 25. Is that okay? And then we remove the brackets. 60 plus b minus 30 minus a is less than equal to 25. So 30 plus b minus a is less than equal to 25. And then I will move the a and b to the right and move the 25 to the left. So 5 is less than or equal to a minus b. Okay? So a minus b is larger than equal to 5. A 減5咧，要係大過 ，sorry A 減 b 咧，要係大過5嘅。OK？ A minus B should be larger than 5. Is okay? And then 好啦，跟住咯，咁我哋就再睇翻啦。如果 A 減 B 要係大過5嘅話咧，嗱個 B 咧，如果我哋睇呢一個 stem and leaf diagram 嘅話咧 ，A 可以係啲咩咧 ？A 喺30嗰一行裏邊嘅話咧，佢係冇任何冇其他嘢嘅喎。A 可以係0至到9都得嘅。OK，A 可以係0至到9都得嘅，得唔得？咁但係咧個 B 咧喺60嗰行裏邊嘅話咧，又係啦，佢可以係0至9都得嘅，因為咧佢後邊咧就係9嚟嘅，得唔得？即係中間唔會話有個4喺度頂住咗咁樣，唔會話有個5喺度頂住咗嘅。所以咧個 B 可以係0至9喺呢一個圖裏邊啊，係俾唔到任何其他嘅資料我哋嘅。OK， 好啦，咁但係如果係咁嘅話咧，我哋嗰個 A 同埋 B 要符合咗 A 減 B 係大過等於5嘅話咧，我哋睇睇啦，即係話咧係咪 A 係大過等於 B 加5啊 ？A 係大過等於 B 加5嘅。OK， 好啦，我哋睇睇咯，有一啲睇有咩可能性咯噃。哦，呢題係真係難㗎，呢題係難嘅。OK， 但係我想你明到呢一個位嘅啫，即係明到Q3、Q1 係點樣揾出嚟。OK， 但係如果呢度咧臨尾做唔到嘅話咧，都冇辦法啦。OK， 如果唔明嘅話咧，唔緊要，但係你要明點樣去睇呢一幅嘅 stem and leaf diagram， 同埋要明點樣去揾 Q1 同埋 Q3。OK， 你明到點樣去計到 Q1、Q3 計到 IQR 嘅話咧，就 OK 啦。臨尾呢啲 analysis 咧 ，OK， 如果唔明嘅話咧，係可以接受嘅呢度，得唔得？因為呢題咧係非常之難嘅，原來 OK。咁但係咧，我講埋佢啊，有啲咩可能性咧？如果 B 係 if B is equal to 0, then A is larger than equal to 5. OK, which means that A can be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If B is equal to 1, then A is larger than equal to 6. So A can be 6, 7, 8, and 9. If B is equal to 2, then A is larger than equal to 7. Therefore, A can be 7, 8, and 9. If B is equal to 3, then A is larger than equal to 8. Okay? Therefore, A can be equal to 8 or 9. If B is equal to 4, A is larger than equal to 9. Therefore, A is just equal to 9. OK？ 嗱，點解我講埋呢度咁多唔同 case 咧？因為咧 A 咧 ，sorry， 因為咧 B 咧唔可以等於5嘅喎。If B is equal to 5, then A is larger than equal to 10. But A cannot be equal to 10, 因為 A 咧係一個0至9嘅個位數字嚟嘅。OK， so there will be no solution for A. No solution for A. So B cannot be equal to 5, cannot be larger than 5. It's okay? B 係唔可以等於5，亦都唔可以大過5嘅，得唔得？咁所以咧 B 係由0至4呢樣嘢啱唔啱㗎？係啱咯，得唔得 ？B 係可以由0至4嘅係嘛 ？OK， 好啦，咁如果咁嘅話咧，個A 咧 A 有啲咩可能性啊？見唔見到我哋嗱？如果已經列晒出嚟㗎啦 ，A 係可以由5、6、7、8、9。6、7、8、9、7、8、9、8、9，或者就咁9。OK， 有冇可能 A 有冇可能係4、3、2、1、0咧？係冇嘅喎，係嘛 ？A 係只可以係5、6、7、8或者9嘅啫。O 唔 OK？ 咁所以咧呢度咧，我哋就可以講到咧 A 其實就係喺5至到9之間啦，得唔得 ？OK， 好啦，先。係啦，咁所以咧，頭先我一早已經講咗咧，就係話， 一早已經講咗咧，就係話 A 減 B 咧係大過等於5嘅 ，A 減 B 係大過等於5，係咪？咁而家第三句咧，第三句佢話 A 減 B 係喺1至6之間，咁啱唔啱咧？咁呢句當然就係唔啱啦。OK， 咁所以答案咧只係得 Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct。OK， so the answer is A。係啦，咁樣樣。好，嗱呢題唔明唔太緊要啊，即係佢耐唔耐會出一題咧，係即係你需要諗好多嘢嘅，需要試好多 case 嘅應該話。OK， 咁你到時如果有時間嘅話，你就試啦，即係當然盡快試。但係如果唔係嘅話咧，我就建議你 skip 咗佢先嘅。OK， 得唔得？即係嗱，簡單嚟講咧，簡單嚟講，如果你計到呢，即係睇到呢啲嘅題目，佢唔係俾咗一個數字你，佢俾一個範圍你嘅 ，at most 25呢啲嘢 ，OK， 跟住出嚟又有啲 statement 1、2、3嗰啲嘅話咧，你跳咗佢先啦，因為呢 statement 1、statement 2、statement 3呢啲咧係可以整到好花時間嘅 ，OK， 即係你跳咗佢先，寧願花時間去到即係計一啲係可以計到個答案出嚟嗰啲，唔使要你試下唔同 case 嗰啲嘅題目，咁樣 ，OK， 我哋嘅策略係咁樣樣啦。OK，next one，next one， 好似第44題呢啲咧，就係好值得去到做噶啦。OK， 點解啊 ？Number 44 in a test, the mean of the test scores is 68 marks. Peter gets 46 marks in the test, and his standard score is -2.2. If Susan gets 52 marks in the test, then her standard score is what？ 係咪好熟口面啊？同琴日嗰題咧，基本上係一模一樣嘅。OK， 都係關於 standard score 嘅，係咪 ？standard score 嘅話咧，我哋即刻腦裏邊開呢一個畫面出嚟，腦裏邊得唔得？好啦，但係咧記住 standard score 咧裏邊咧係有一啲係 for 全班嘅 ，OK， 有一啲係 for 個體嘅，得唔得 ？X bar 即係個 mean 啊 ，mean 就係 for 全班嘅 ，mean is equal to 68。standard deviation 都係 for 全班嘅 ，but now it is not given。And then we have two individual students here. We have Peter and we have Susan. Okay, and then Peter gets 64 marks. Sorry, 46 marks. Okay, 46 marks in the test, which means that his X is 46, and then his standard score is -2.2. Okay, and then for Susan gets 52 marks, 52, and the question asks you to find her standard score. It's okay? 好啦，咁我哋咧記住呢條公式裏邊咧係有4樣嘢，4樣嘢裏邊如果知道3樣嘢嘅話咧，就可以計到第4樣嘢噶啦。咁咧我哋望一望阿 Peter 喺呢一班嘅數據，係咪4樣嘢裏邊已經知道3樣嘢，我哋就可以用嚟去到計第4樣嘢啦。Okay, for Peter, we have standard score -2.2 is equal to x minus x bar divided by sigma. Sigma is unknown, so we just keep the sigma. Okay, -2.2 is equal to -22 divided by sigma. Okay, so -2.2 sigma is equal to -22. Sigma is equal to -22 divided by -2.2. So I think it should be equal to 10. Okay, so now we have found the value of the sigma to be 10. Okay, so this one is equal to 10. And now we can use this complete information to find the information for Susan. Okay, so for Susan, the standard score, so we just use the same formula again, okay, but with different numbers. Z is what we want to find. So her score is 52, and then minus this X bar divided by the sigma. Sigma is what we have found, which is 10. Okay, so that should be equal to -16 divided by 10, so that should be negative 1.6. Is that okay? So that is how we can find the answer. The answer is B. Is that okay? Yes. 好，得唔得呢度？ Next question。好啦，嗱呢題咧好少有咁樣問嘅 ，OK？ 咁咧牽涉到有一個 concept 咧，就係我哋冇學到嗰一課，但係呢度咧我講一講俾你聽，淨係識得呢樣嘢就夠噶啦呢度 ，OK？ 咁但係咧呢一個咧呢一題嘅主旨咧就係問我哋最尾學嗰個 concept， 即係有一 set data 啦，如果有啲一齊去做某一個改變嘅時候咧。對嗰啲 range 啊、variance 啊嗰樣嘢有啲咩影響咧？咁樣係做呢樣嘢嘅，得唔得？好啦，咁但係咧佢嘅開頭咧彈咗一個字出嚟喎 ，arithmetic sequence 就係我哋冇學嘅嗰課嚟嘅。我而家好快講講俾你聽，咩叫 arithmetic sequence 咧？就係一個數列，第一個 term、第二個 term、第三個 term， 每兩個 term 之間都係相差同一個數嘅。OK， 簡單嚟講，1、3、5、7、9、11，係咪加2、加2、加2、加2、加2 ？OK， so this is an arithmetic sequence, AS. OK, for example, 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. All of them plus 4. To get the next one, and then plus 4 to get the next number, plus 4 to get the next number. So this is an AS, arithmetic sequence. 唔一定加嘅喎，減都得嘅喎。OK, it's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and so on. It's minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So this is an arithmetic sequence. OK, 得唔得呢度？好，呢度聽唔聽到？呢個俾個反應我得唔得？呢個位俾個反應我 ，OK？ arithmetic sequence 佢可能會用喺 statistics 嘅呢一個位嘅。如果你 get 到咩叫做 arithmetic sequence 嘅 ，OK？ 即係做同一個加同一個數落去下一個數字，永遠都係加同一個數落去下一個數字，或者減同一個數落去下一個數字嘅話咧，咁呢個就係為之一個 arithmetic sequence 啦。明呢一樣嘢嘅，可唔可以俾個 like 或者俾個 clap 我？唔該。OK， good。唔明嘅可唔可以俾個舉手我？如果需要講多一次嘅，可唔可以俾個舉手我？
老 Sir， 你俾我撈一陣先。
好，
我再望下先。
好，你得話俾我聽喎，好唔好
？OK，
好啦，嗱，咁呢度嚟講咧，即係其實咧嗰啲 data 咧就唔係亂咁 set 嘅，就係有一定嘅 pattern 嘅，得唔得？有一定嘅 pattern 嘅。好啦，咁有咩 pattern 啊？頭先講咗啦，就係咧每一個 data 去下一個 data 咧都係加同一個數嘅，但係加咩數咧？唔知。我哋咁樣嚟睇咯。睇先啊。咁咧，我哋有一個而家有49個 terms 啦，係嘛？49個 terms 啦。我哋叫 x1 就係第一個 term， 第二個 term 我哋叫 x1 plus k。OK， 係加一個數字去到 x2 嘅，得唔得 ？OK， 或者我再寫好啲啊，寫好啲 ，sorry。我哋本身咧有 x1、x2、x3、x4 until x49. It's okay. x1 is x1, but x2 we'll write this as x1 plus k. All right. x3 will be x1 plus k and then plus another k. That is plus 2k. x4 will be x3 plus k. That is x1 plus 2k and then plus another k. it becomes x1 plus 3k。好，呢度頭4個 term 如果明嘅都俾個反應我 ，OK， 俾個 like or clap 我。If you're okay for the first 4 term, what I'm talking about the first 4 term, please give me a like or a clap here. Okay. If you're not okay for the first 4 terms, please raise your hand. 咁 x49係咩啊？應該嗱 ，x1 就係 x1啦，頭嗰個就係冇變嘅 ，x2嗰個就開始加一個 k 俾佢啦，加咗1次 k 俾佢嘅。x3相對於 x1 排頭位係咪加咗2個 k 俾佢 ？x4 相對於頭位係咪加咗3個 k 俾佢？咁應該唔難諗到咧。x49相對於頭位係加咗幾多個 k 俾佢咧？咪加咗48個 k 俾佢啦。OK， 得唔得？好啦，嗱，跟住咧冇噶啦。嗱，呢度咧，我就係想你學嘅部分咧，即係新嘢嘅部分就喺度嚟嘅。OK， 萬一如果佢今年啦，我覺得有機會問呀，我覺得 DSE 有機會問呀，即係再問多一次嘅。OK， 雖然2018年問咗一次，得唔得 ？OK， 咁因為呢個咧，即係一個即係 cross topic 跨課題嘅題目嚟嘅。OK， 咁根據 DSE 嘅創意咧，係即係好有機會會繼續問嘅，得唔得？好啦，我再睇下題目而家問咗啲咩咯。嗱，而家我而家只不過係處理咗頭一句嘅啫，得唔得？頭一句，我將佢嘅設定咧係寫成咁樣樣嘅。好啦，跟住 if the variance of the first 7 terms of the sequence is 9, then the variance of the last 7 terms of the sequence 係幾多？頭7個 terms 嘅 variance，OK， 咁即係咧，我哋咁樣啦 ，x1、x2、x3、x4、x5、x6、x7， 佢嘅 variance 係7嚟嘅 ，variance is equal to 7。sorry， it's 9。sorry， it's 9。OK， 但係我講過啦。等陣啊 ，this is 9。我講過啦，呢度咧呢一種題目咧，我哋唔好睇住個 variance， 逢親 variance， 我哋先轉翻去個 standard deviation 先。OK，variance is the square of the standard deviation, which means that standard deviation is the square root of the variance. OK， so that should be square root of 9. That is equal to 3. OK， 好啦，跟住佢問你 then the variance of the last 7 terms， 最後嗰7個 terms 嘅 variance 係幾多？最後嗰7個 term 係邊7個 term 啊？睇睇係咪應該係 x49？ 我倒數翻前邊咯 ，x48、x47、x46。x45, x44, x43. OK， x43 to x49， 4、3、4、5、6、7、8、9係嘛？係啦 ，OK。佢問你呢一個係幾多？好啦，但係我哋咧就會揾啦，我哋就會諗啦。呢一個咧，我用翻頭先嗰啲嘅設定咯。This is x1. This is x1 plus k. This is x1 plus 2k. x1 plus 3k. x1 plus 4k. x1 plus 5k. x1 plus 6k. Right? How about the second line? This one, x43 should be x1 plus 42k, and then x1 plus 43k, x1 plus 44k, x1 plus 45k, x1 plus 46k, x1 plus 47k and x1 plus 48k。OK， 好啦，咁我哋排好咗之後咧，我哋就睇下咧，我哋當係呢一個咧就係 original。This one is new。由舊去新，我哋做啲乜嘢嘢啊？對於每一粒 data 係咪做咗同一樣嘢㗎？由 x1 變到去 x1 加 42k， 由 x1 加 k 變到去做 x1 加 43k， 由 x1 加 2k 變到去做 x1 加 44k， x1 加 3k 變到去 x1 加 45k， 如此類推。臨尾 x1 加 6k 變到去做 x1 加 48k。望唔望到每一粒 data 由舊去新嘅時候，我哋都係做咗同一樣嘢，都係加咗同一個數字俾佢嘅。加咗邊個數字啊？就係加咗 42k 俾佢。OK， 每一粒 data 我哋都係加咗 42k 俾佢。好啦，即係話咧，每一個 data 咧，我哋加同一個數字俾佢，對個 standard deviation 有咩影響啊？So what is the effect of the standard deviation when we add the same number to every datum？ 對佢差異係冇影響嘅喎，係嘛 ？OK， 即係只不過係大家係個數值係大家係同樣行多咗幾步，同樣大多咗少少嘅啫。但係佢哋之間嘅差異咧係冇影響嘅。So the new standard deviation should be equal to 3。Which means that the new variance should be equal to 3 square, which is still equal to 9. Okay, so the answer is option A. It's like this. It's okay? All right, so next question. 好，哇！呢題送分嘅2017-29題。The box and whisker diagram below shows the distribution of the numbers of online hours spent by a class of students in a certain week. Find the lower quartile of the distribution. Lower quartile, that is Q1. Okay, Q1. Where is Q1? This is the smallest datum. This is Q1. This is the median. This is Q3. This is the largest datum. Okay, so we are going to find the Q1, that is this point. This point is the midpoint between 10 and 20. So which is B, 15. Is that okay? 得唔得？計都唔使計呢度，係嘛？就係咁嘅啫。Next question。好，呢度又係啦，又係咧。嗱，今次咧，佢都有啲 statement one、statement two、statement three 嘅題目嚟嘅，係嘛？咁都係咧有一啲未知數喺度啦。咁嘅時候咧，都係麻煩㗎呢題。不過咧冇上一題咁麻煩，點解咧？因為佢冇話啲咩 at most 幾多啊，冇話不等式，冇話不等式嘅話咧，我哋就算要試唔同嘅 case 嘅話咧，都會係容易好多嘅。OK， 得唔得？我哋試一試睇埋佢啊。Consider the following integers 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, m and n。OK， 嗱冇話係順次序排嘅嚇，得唔得？冇話 m n 係最大嘅。雖然佢前邊嗰啲係順次序 ，OK， 好啦，跟住 let A、B、C be the mode, the median and the range of the above positive integers respectively。但係講咗咧，佢係正整數嚟嘅 positive integers。Mode is equal to A, median is equal to B, and the range is equal to C。跟住 if the mean of the above positive integer is 5. So the mean is equal to 5. Which of the following must be true? 好嗱，睇睇咯。我哋咧唯一可以確定嘅咧就係個 mean 等於5啦，係嘛？亦都有算式去到計算嘅咧就係個 mean 啦。我哋將佢加埋一齊先。Sum of data 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus m plus n divided by the number of data. So how many data are there? It should be 9. 9 data, and then it is equal to 5. Okay? And then we have 上面幾多嚟㗎？15、25、32、41 plus m plus n is equal to 45. It's okay? So m plus n will be equal to 4. OK? 好啦，但係我哋只係計到咧 m 加 n 係等於4嘅啫。OK， 咁實際係 m 同 n 係幾多咧？係計唔到嘅噃。OK， 但係咧，由於我哋知道咧，佢哋係 positive integers，m and n are positive integers， 所以其實咧得好少嘅可能性嘅啫。Case 1 m is 1 n is 3 Case 2 m and n are both equal to 2 Case 3 m is 3 n is 1 Okay, so we have 3 possible cases， 得3個可能性，係嘛 ？OK， 得3個可能性嘅啫。但係如果你再諗得仔細啲嘅話咧，根本第一個可能性同埋第3個可能性咧係一模一樣嘅，因為 m 同 n 我哋代翻個1同埋3落去嘅時候咧，喺嗰堆數字上面咧係完全冇分別嘅。OK。個 m 叫做1定係個 n 叫做1冇所謂嘅，你只係代翻數字入去嘅時候，就係一個1同埋一個3啦。OK 得唔得？所以咧，其實咧，我哋係唔需要睇 case 3嘅，得唔得？只係得2個可能性嘅啫。一係就係 case 1 m 同埋 n 當中一個係1，另一個係3。一係就係 case 2 m 同埋 n 兩個都係等於2。OK 得唔得？好啦。咁嘅時候咧，我哋就要代翻落去喎。Case 1，如果 m 同埋 n 一個係1，一個係3嘅話咧，係咪即係咁樣？嗰個 set 嘅 data 咧係1、2、3、4、6、7、9 and 10。It's okay. Case 1 means m equals 1 and n equals 3。OK， 好啦，跟住咁嘅時候咧。個 mode. So what is the mode? The mode is A, but the mode of this set of data will be equal to 3. OK， 所以 A 咧喺呢一個情況底下咧係會等於3嘅。咁即係話 statement 1 is not correct， 因為佢問你以下邊一樣嘢係一定啱 ，must be true。OK，A 等於2係咪一定啱啊？唔係喎，因為咧我哋如果 case 1呢個可能性嘅時候咧，個 A 係要等於3嘅，其實 OK。好啦，咁仲有個 median 咧 ，what is the median? Median is B. In this case, the median is the middle position. Okay, middle position is 4. Okay, so 4 is the median. 咁係咪代表 statement 2係一定啱啊？嗱，我哋未講到佢係錯啫，因為咧仲有第二個可能性㗎係嘛 ？We still have case 2. Okay, so statement 2 may be correct at this moment. We still need to check for case 2 whether we will get B equals to 4. Okay, if both cases have a result of B equals 4, then we can say that B equals 4 must be true. OK， 咁但係而家咧，我哋未可以否定佢啫。簡單嚟講就係 OK。How about the range? The range is equal to C, and the range is equal to the largest datum minus the smallest datum. It's OK. In this case, the largest datum is 10, and then the smallest datum is 1. So the range is equal to 9. OK。好啦 ，C 等於9喎，喺呢個 case。C 係可以有機會等於9喎，但係而家 statement 3就係話 C 等於8係 must be true。 咁係咪 must be true 啊？當然唔係 must be true 啦。OK， 咁所以其實咧，你喺呢度咧已經否定咗兩個啦。OK， 咁你已經可以肯定呢個答案其實係 B 嚟㗎啦，係嘛 ？OK， 因為一定唔啱，3都一定唔啱。咁嘅時候咧，即係 A、C、D 都冇可能係啱㗎啦，淨得係 B 係啱嘅啫。OK， 所以個 answer 就係 B 嚟嘅。但我哋睇埋 case 2啊，我哋睇埋 case 2。OK， you don't get how come using case 1? We need to consider case 1 and case 2. Okay, both cases. But we need to check it one by one. It's okay. Case 1 is, M from the mean. Because we cannot fix the numbers, the values of M and N. We just know that M plus N is equal to 4 from the calculation of mean. Okay, we just arrive here, and we do not have equation 2 to solve for M and N. So we need to think that there will be different possibilities. Okay, the first possibility is that M is equal to 1, N is equal to 3. Because we know that all of the data are positive integers. They cannot be 0, cannot be negative, cannot be fraction, cannot be decimal numbers. They must be integers and must be positive integers. It's okay? So the values of M and N will be either 1 and 3 or 2 and 2. Okay? They cannot be 4 and 0 because 0 is not positive. They cannot be 1.5 and 2.5 because they are not integers. Okay? Can you get this? Okay, so there will be 2 possible cases only. Okay, so either 1 and 3 or 2 and 2. Case 1 will be 1 and 3. When we put M is 1, N is 3, then we will get this set of data. And then we can find the mode, find the median, and find the range very easily. Okay, with no unknowns here. Okay, so if we have case 2, how about case 2? Let me do case 2 here. Case 2. Case 2 means M is 2, N is also equal to 2, right? Okay, then the set of data will be 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Can you get this? Because both M and N are equal to 2. Okay, so, and I arrange the data in ascending order. And now, the mode is A, and A is equal to 2. Okay, the highest frequency, the data with highest frequency, right? And then the median, B, is the middle position. That is also equal to 4. Okay? Also equal to 4. And then range. Range is C. But in this case, the range is the largest datum minus the smallest datum. So that is equal to 8. Okay? 嗱，我哋咪有兩個唔同嘅 case 嘅。咁咧，你見到如果係睇 A 嘅話咧 ，A 係咪可以等於2？喺另一個可能性咧 ，A 就會等於3咁樣樣。OK， 咁我哋但係題目呢一 statement 1就話 A 等於2 ，must be true。咁即係唔係 must be true 啦？因為喺唔同嘅情況底下咧 ，A 係會有唔同嘅數字嘅，係會有2之外嘅一個數值嘅。OK， 咁所以 A 等於2咧，唔係必定啱嘅，得唔得？所以 statement 1就唔應該係啱啦。C 咧 ，C 係咪可以等於8？又可以等於9啊？同樣道理，你話 C 等於8係 must be true 就係唔啱啦。OK， 咁但係 B 咧喺 case 1同埋 case 2，我哋都出現咗一個 consistent 係吻合嘅數值，都係等於4喎，係嘛？而 case 1同埋 case 2就係所有嘅可能性啦。咁即係喺所有嘅唔同可能性 嘅情況底下，個 B 都會係等於4喎，係咪即係可以講到 B 等於4咧？就係 must be true 啦。OK， 即係冇其他嘅可能性啦。個 B 就係咁啦。Is that okay? So that is how we can check whether the statements are correct or not. OK， 嗱呢個都係難難地嘅，難難地，但係我覺得大家可以試下明埋呢一題嘅，即係有唔同嘅 case 好中意出㗎而家 OK。係會花時間嘅呢個，會花時間，但係你小心啲做嘅話咧，係可以做到嘅，得唔得？好啦，但係如果都係唔得嘅話咧，因為呢個太花時間啦。如果你做唔得熟啊 ，OK， 去到考嘅時候都做唔得熟嘅話咧，我都係建議你 skip 咗佢先，因為咧 做 MC 嘅時間咧好緊迫嘅，我哋一定要揾清楚邊啲題目。我哋可以喺比較短嘅時間之內咧，係做得啱嗰啲題目，我哋做咗佢先。記住係攞分嘅遊戲嚟㗎，考試得唔得 ？OK。So next question。好嗱，呢啲就一定要做啦。你真係攞咗，你直頭一掀開份卷，你係做咗呢啲先，都冇死㗎啦，得唔得？第44題。The standard score of Tom in a mathematics examination is -2. If the score of Tom in the mathematics examination is 22 marks, and the mean of the scores of the mathematics examination is 45 marks. Then the standard deviation of the scores of the mathematics examination is how many marks? 哇！呢題仲簡單過前面嗰兩年嗰兩題，係咪？因為咧，今次只係得一個個體啫。OK， 我哋係有啲咩啊？有 Tom 嘅 X， sorry， 個 Z standard score is -2, right? Z is -2, and then the mark X is equal to 22, and then the mean is X bar is 45, and the question just asks you to find the standard deviation sigma is equal to what? OK， 呢題係送分啦，係咪？因為直接用 Z is equal to X minus X bar divided by sigma 呢條公式咧就可以計到啦。OK， 咁啊，-2 is equal to 22 minus 45 divided by sigma. Okay, so -2 is equal to -23. Is it correct? Let's see now.我估我打錯字喺度，睇先。冇錯，我係打錯字，呢個唔係22分，應該係33分嚟嘅。OK， 呢個係33啊，唔係22。Sorry， 呢度打錯字啫。So that should be a 33. 33. Okay, should be -12 divided by sigma. Okay, so -2 sigma is equal to -12. Sigma should be equal to 6. Okay, so that is the answer. The standard deviation is 6 mark. Okay, that is the answer. Option B. 改翻個題目，我呢度打錯咗，唔係22分，應該係33分嚟嘅。OK， 如果唔係嘅話就計唔到個答案㗎啦。OK， so that is like this。但係呢題係簡單嘅係嘛？即係甚至乎冇兩個個體出現嘅，淨係得阿 Tom 喺度嘅啫。Next one， 好啦，一見到呢啲係知咩事咯係嘛 ？OK， 咁又係有啲即係改變嘅。OK，set data， 每粒 data 都做同一個改變。咁我睇下咩改變喎？嗱，睇清楚題目啊。Let M1, R1 and V1 be the mode, interquartile range, and the variance of a group of numbers x1 to x7 respectively. And then M2, R2, V2 be the mode, interquartile range, and variance of the group of numbers 8 times x1, 8 times x2 respectively. Which of the following must be true? 好啦，嗱睇住我哋而家有嘅係咩啊？嗱，其實如果你即係熟嘅話咧，你係唔使寫呢啲嘢嘅。咁但係如果未熟嘅話咧，我哋咁樣啦 ，original，so this is original，right？ 原本嘅 set 嘅。咁我哋今次要考慮嘅就係個mode 啦，interquartile range 啦 ，and then the variance 啦。但係記住 variance 我哋唔會直接考慮嘅，我哋一定要擸埋個 SD 嚟考慮嘅，得唔得？佢而家俾咗你嘅呢個係 M1 original 嘅就係 M1，original mode is M1，original interquartile range is R1，and then original variance is V1。咁我哋即刻計翻個 original 嘅 SD 出嚟先 ，SD 嘅二次方就係 variance， 咁即係話咧 variance 嘅開方就係 SD 啦 ，OK， so it should be square root of V1，OK，and then the new set of data will be 8x1 8x2 until 8x7。好啦，如果係每粒 data， 好明顯啦，乘大咗8倍係咪？乘大8倍係每一樣嘢都會有相應嘅改變嘅，即係個 new mode will be 8 times M1，new interquartile range will be 8 times R1。variance 唔好做住，一定要做咗 SD 先。new SD is 8 times square root of V1。It's okay？ 好啦，跟住個 variance is equal to the square of the SD bracket square. Okay? And that should be equal to 64 V1. OK? 得唔得？一定係個 variance 啊，一定係做咗個 SD 先嘅，然之後咧將個新嘅 SD square 翻一次，就係咁啦。所以咧呢一個 呢個佢 M2 嚟嘅 ，so M2 is equal to 8 times M1. That is correct. R2 is equal to 8 times R1. That is correct. And then V2 should be equal to 64 times V1. But it says that it is 8 times V1. So that is not correct. Okay? So, which of the following must be true? Should be statement 1 and statement 2 only. So the answer is option A. 好，呢度想你俾個反應我，45題，45題緊要啊 ，OK？ if you understand question number 45, please give me a like or a clap, please. 45題，如果 OK 嘅，可唔可以俾個 like 或者 clap 我？如果唔 OK 嘅，可唔可以舉舉手？李子婷係咪唔 OK 呢度？可唔可以講俾我聽係邊一個位開始唔 OK， 定係想我由頭講多次？
可唔可以由頭講一次？
好，由頭講一次啊！呢個緊要嘅，所以我可以由頭講一次呢度，得唔得 ？OK， 因為咧呢一題明咗嘅話咧，其實好多其他嘅題目咧係好類似嘅，得唔得？好嗱，而家咧你記得我哋做過之前咧嗰啲嘅題目咧都係咁樣嘅，有個 original 啦係嘛嘅 data set 咁樣啦，然之後咧我哋今次就係有 X1 至到 X7咧就係原本嘅 data 嚟嘅，原本嘅 data 我哋今次會考慮嘅。就係原本嘅 mode 叫做 M1， 原本嘅 interquartile range 叫做 R1， 原本嘅 variance 叫做 V1。OK， 呢啲都係題目俾你嘅關於原 set 嘅資料嚟嘅。OK， 但係記住，我哋一見到 variance 呢個字，我哋自己要寫埋個 standard deviation。咁你記得咧 variance 其實只不過就係 standard deviation 嘅 square。OK， 咁但係如果佢俾咗 variance， 你要揾翻 SD 嘅話咧，就係等於 variance 嘅開方咁樣樣。OK， 好啦，咁所以咧，如果佢俾咗 variance 係 V1 嚟嘅話咧，你嘅 standard deviation 就係開方 V1 啦。呢度係第一樣嘢，即係處理咗原本嘅資料先。呢度 OK。好啦，跟住。佢而家咧有一 set 新嘅資料，就係8乘以 X1、8乘以 X2， 一路數到8乘以 X7， 咁就係 new 嘅 set 啦，係咪？咁應該唔難見到咧，就係我哋點樣去處理，即係做咗啲咩步驟啊？對於每一粒 data 做啲咩相同嘅步驟咧，就係乘大8倍啦，係嘛？乘大8倍。咁如果你睇翻我抄俾你個表嘅話咧， 即係將每粒 data 乘大8倍嘅話咧，嗰度每一樣嘢都係會相應地乘大翻8倍嘅。包括如果佢有 mean 嘅話咧，就係個新嘅 mean 就係舊嘅 mean 乘大8倍。如果佢有 median 嘅話咧，新嘅 median 就係舊嘅 median 乘大8倍。而家佢有 mode 係咪？新嘅 mode 即係 M2 啦，就係等於原本嘅 mode 即係 M1 乘大8倍，所以 M2 等於8倍 M1。OK， 咁就計到個新嘅 mode 啦。然之後個 range 如果佢有 range 嘅話咧，都係乘大8倍。OK， 而家佢有 interquartile range， 新嘅 interquartile range 佢個名叫做 R2， 但係佢同舊嘅 interquartile range 嘅關係就係將舊嘅 interquartile range 即係 R1 啦，都係乘大翻8倍。咁所以咧 R2 係等於8倍 R1 嘅，所以 statement 2咧都係啱嘅。OK， 好啦，但係記住 variance 我哋唔可以直接計嘅，一定要睇個 SD 得唔得 ？SD 都係新嘅，如果係乘大8倍嘅話咧，新嘅 SD 都係舊嘅 SD 乘翻大8倍。所以咧，新嘅 SD 即係呢一個啊，係咪等於8乘以舊嘅SD 咁樣8倍，就係8開方 V1， 呢個係新嘅 standard deviation。但係佢唔係問你 standard deviation 啊嘛，佢問你 variance 啊嘛。咁你只不過咧又係用翻呢一個啦 ，variance 係咪等於 SD 嘅 square？ 所以你將呢一個8新即係計到出嚟嘅新嘅 SD 二次翻，就係新嘅 variance 啦。OK， 咁就係等於64乘以 V1。咁 V1 本身嗰個開方咧，就比新俾佢嗰個 square 咧係互相 cancel 咗嘅，係嘛？但係個 square 又同時間分埋俾個8個噃，所以就變咗64，然之後 V1 咁樣啦。呢個就係新嘅 variance， 亦即係佢個名係 V2 嘅嗰樣嘢啦。OK， 咁所以 V2 咧應該係要等於64 V1， 所以佢講 V2 等於8 V1 咧就係唔啱啦，咁樣樣。好，請問呢度得唔得？有冇妥？唔 OK 嘅，跟唔到嘅呢度。嗱，呢度你打入星海啊！如果你要記一條題目，去到記呢一個課題嘅話咧，呢條題目就好好記㗎啦。即係你記咗呢個嘅話咧，你大概同類嘅題目嘅話咧，你就會記得點樣做嘅。所以你呢一題咧，請你打粒大星落去，記咗佢，得唔得？我哋嘅做法記咗佢 ，OK。特別係牽涉到 variance 嗰部分 ，OK。variance 要用個 standard deviation 去到計咗先，然之後先 square 呢樣嘢咧要緊記。如果唔係嘅話咧，好多時佢都會用呢樣嘢嚟陰你嘅 ，OK 得唔得？好，咁啊呢題就係咁樣啦，冇其他問題我呢題得唔得？好，咁我拆咗 board 佢先啊。好似差唔多夠鐘啦，應該係嘛？好，咁唔緊要，咁我下次先至再講埋另外嘅題目啦。OK， 咁我會講晒嘅呢一個 topic 嘅題目。sorry， 呢個 topic 嘅題目我會講晒 DSE 嘅題目嘅。OK， 咁啊希望大家即係真係可以即係完全掌握到啊。OK， 咁就如果冇問題嘅話咧，我哋今日落堂先啦。OK， 聽日實體嘅時候再見啦。OK， 拜拜。